Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, it's virus versus valuation today. We're seeing again the evolution of the coronavirus impacting the pricing of the SPX and therefore impacting the pricing of the VIX. SPX was down better than 1% this morning, and with that we saw the VIX up around 1808. Currently, VIX around 1650, coming off a little bit as we see the SPX trying to fight back down about 0.75% right now. Looking at the roll market, we have seen that compress as well. The front month, second month roll market there, that March-April roll market, about 45 cents and about 30 cents today. But it is interesting when you look at the futures curve, you are still seeing a premium or contango in the futures curve going out to October, as well as you're still seeing the future holding premium over the cash here at the 1650, 1660 level. Looking at some of the factors, I think when you look at the VIX pricing, it is pricing in the unknowns right now, a little bit more so than what historically or realized volatility. It appears that the VIX is taking its cues more about what could potentially happen here in the next few weeks, because certainly when you look at the VIX cash level relative to realized volatility, it is extended. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 104 right now, up about 9 points from the lows on Wednesday. So we're continuing to see some strength in the firmness in the VIX options here as we move into the weekend. And I know Mike Palmer pointed out again yesterday that 50-cent buyer came in for about 50,000, I believe it was the March 23s, paid about 47 cents for those. They're currently trading about 70 cents, so we are seeing appreciation there as we see the VIX cash and the futures moving higher. Looking at other activity, really not too significant when you look at the action in March right now. It's really on the put side. 16 puts and 17 puts are where the action is. About 25K of each one of those have traded. Looking at next week, again, I still think the market's going to contend with the continuing evolution of the coronavirus. We also have consumer confidence, personal income and spending next week as well. So those factors are going to probably influence the vol structure, and I can tell you, you're still seeing some concern in the equity markets as we close out the week.